Hi guys, so today we'll be doing a video on how you can install more apps onto your Ticwatch 2. Okay, so the one other way to install more apps onto your Ticwatch 2, just out of focus here, is to use the Android ADB sideload. And here I'm just going to demonstrate how you can do that on the Mac. It's actually just 3 very simple steps. I'll have the link down below. You just copy paste these 3 commands into your terminal. So you copy that and then you put it into your terminal window and you run it. So after that's done, you run the second command, and after that you do the third, which that's just to start up these test the servers, test that it's actually installed properly. So here it shows that I have one device connected, which is my Ticwatch. And what you want to do after pretty much the second command is you type adb start server and you hit enter, and then what you need to do is going to be on the watch. So you go in to the settings by swiping down, and settings, you go in the network, Wi-Fi, you enable Wi-Fi, and then you need to connect your home Wi-Fi network. Let's just brighten that up a bit more. You need to connect your home Wi-Fi network, and then you go to advanced settings. You remember the IP address on here. Then you need to go into about, and you need to tap Ticwatch version about up to 10 times, 8 times, I forgot, but it will show you that you now have developer mode enabled. You go back to the main settings, and then you go developer info. You enable ADB test, and then Wi-Fi testing, which then is going to show you a channel, which is support. You type in in the terminal. So you're going to type in the IP address and followed by the port. You enter, and then it will say connected to your device. And after that, you're ready to install an app, which what you're going to type is adb install, and then you can just drag and drop an Android APK into here and hit enter. It will just install perfectly onto your watch. So here is one that I've installed earlier, which is EX Explorer and ES File Explorer, and then you can see that it's running the full Android version. And of course you can also run the the watch Android Wear version as well. You just have to go through more steps to find the mini Wear app, which I'll have a different video on in a couple more days. So that's the first step to actually install full Android or other APKs that you want to install onto your watch. The second way to do it is through the Chinese store, Chinese Wear app, Ticwatch Store, and what you want to do is follow the link down in the description, and I will launch the app here. You can see that it says Chinese in here, and it will just show. I'll have more apps compared to the international version, and they're all compatible. They're all compatible, but not all of them will work perfectly. So, for example, I have some WeChat and camera apps installed, so we can just try that here. Let's see, we can have the spy camera. We'll launch that, and we'll launch the spy camera app, and you can see that it's actually seeing what the camera is seeing. So that's the second way to install more apps onto the Ticwatch 2. And there's a third way, which is actually loading all the Android Wear apps from your phones, well, the apps that support Android Wear. It will load those apps onto your watch, but none of those apps will work with any sort of communication with the phone. So what that means is that watch faces will work fine from the Play Store, but the ones that require data such as Google Maps and such, it will not work, but the apps will be installed. So what you want to do is you just go in your Ticwatch app, and then you can go to the side, you go to advanced settings, you enable developer mode, and then you enable the 1024 mode. What this will allow you to do is install all the apps such as Spotify and stuff onto your watch. Those do not work, but the watch faces work perfectly fine that I've tested. And also keep in mind, make sure you want to click sync apps after you installed some new applications. So those are the three ways that I found that you can install more apps onto your Ticwatch 2. It's quite straightforward and simple. So hope you guys liked the video, and subscribe for more upcoming videos about the Ticwatch 2 and other tech or photography videos, I guess. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.